guys, we're reading today orange book again, but this is not that book. Let's start. Maybe no. Maybe no. Baby, no. Baby, we read. She did it. Let's start. She did it. She did it. That's so here. Can she go to the top? Can she do it? Dot ran. Do it, Dot. And now I'm gonna see myself. I don't know. So I know it. Like this. She did it. Dot is at the top. Dot so mad. Can she tag a map? Tag is like this. Tag is highlighted like that. Dot fell. Dot did not tag map. Get up, Dot. Do it. No, I think this is gonna not good at it. Dot, get up. She ran and ran. Do it. Dot. She did it. Dot did tag mapped. The end. I want this book is so fun and subscribe my channel. I love you. And this book is for my children. The next book is good one too. I don't know next one is, but I'm gonna show you that. But next book is Frog Sad. And this is book is two of them. I love this two. And next book is and bye bye. See you later.